channel, and if you are new to my channel then welcome. So welcome to today's video. As you know from the title, today's video is not about makeup tutorials or product review, but it's all about hair. Today's video is all about how to take care of your hair so that you can make your hair a lot more healthy and shiny during this time of the year. So during the summer months we just wait for monsoon to arrive, and as the monsoon draws near, so does hair fall, hair damage, split ends, rough hair, and a lot of things. So in this video guys, I just like to share you how to take care of your hair during the monsoon months. If you just ask me about my hair, I was born with curly wavy hair, but I got chemically treated my hair for last 2 to 3 years, and you can see these are the regrowth that has come now, and I don't think that I'll be straightening it anymore, but I do take a lot more care of my hair guys, because I just like to pamper my hair with a lot of products. So in this video I just like to share you top 10 must-know tips for hair care during the monsoon months, so that you can make your hair a lot more healthier and shinier than before. So if you want to know top 10 tips for monsoon hair care routine, then please continue watching. Tip number 1, always try to keep your hair dry during the monsoon months. Monsoon is the worst time for hair. If you just ask me that do I have a lot more hair fall in the other months of the year? No, I don't, but during the monsoon months I just get a lot of hair fall. What it happens, hair fall just increases to the most as the roots of the hair becomes a lot more loosened, which ultimately results in having a lot of hair fall. So in order to decrease the rate of hair fall, you just need to keep your hair a lot more drier than you usually do. Tip number 2, do not allow rainwater to settle on your hair. This is the best thing that you can do for your hair. So rainwater is not only water guys, it's full of dirt and acid. So rainwater is dirty and acidic, and if you just let rainwater settle on your hair for a very long time, it will just result into a lot more hair fall and scalp infections. So if you were caught in a very heavy downpour, you just need to come back and just wash your hair with a mild shampoo. This will just wash off the rainwater that were settling on your hair. This is the best thing that you can do for your hair during the monsoon months to just make your hair a lot more healthier. Tip number 3 is that do not tie your hair too often during the monsoon months. If you just tie your hair during the monsoon months, you will just allow rainwater to settle on your hair. And if you just keep your hair in an open condition, this will just make your hair a lot more drier, and you can just allow air to move freely into your hair. So if you just tie your hair, you will just allow rainwater to settle into your hair, which will ultimately give you a lot more hair fall, and you will just end up getting a lot of unwanted smell because of those wet hair, which is so annoying, and you will just end up getting all those stuff. So I would suggest that do not tie your hair too often during the monsoon months, and try to just keep your hair a little bit open as possible. This is my suggestions. I just don't tie up my hair during this monsoon months when I just move out or just went out for a long time, because I just like to have air into my hair so that the roots become a lot more moisture free, and it will just have a lot more healthier condition. Tip number 4 is that shampoo your hair not more than 2 to 3 times a week. So during the monsoon months we just shampoo our hair a lot more than we usually do, because we just caught ourselves a lot more in the downpour, and we just ended up getting a lot more shower, and what it actually happens is that we just shampoo our hair a lot, which is not good for our hair. So try to just shampoo your hair for around 2 to 3 times a week, but not more than that. And for shampooing your hair, you just need to use a very mild shampoo. I would suggest to you guys to use a shampoo free from parabens and sulfates. So if you just ask me what are the shampoos I use, I just use two ranges of this, and these are these two shampoos. This is the Delon avocado oil shampoo. This is a paraben free and sulfate free shampoo, and I also condition my hair with the same range as well. This is the Delon conditioner with macadamia oil. So the shampoo was with argan oil, and the conditioner is with macadamia oil, and this two shampoo and conditioner is free from parabens and sulfates, and these really work very nice for my hair. If you just want me to give another option, you can just also use this two shampoo and conditioner. This is the Wow Intense Repair shampoo. It's a very popular shampoo. It's a very good shampoo. You can just try this one, and this is a Wow conditioner. So you can see this is a shampoo and this one is a conditioner, and I just use these two shampoos and conditioners on an alternative basis. So these work well for my hair, so I can't stop using them, and I just wash my hair around 2 to 3 times a week and not more than that, which actually help my hair to retain its own moisture and hydration and makes my hair a lot more healthier. So I would suggest that do not shampoo your hair too often during the monsoon months. For an emergency, guys, I can suggest that you can just use a dry shampoo. Dry shampoo really works wonders for your hair. It will just lessen down the greasiness of your hair roots, and it will just give a lot more volume to your hair. So you can just use a dry shampoo. I just use this dry shampoo. This is the Batiste Intense Hair Refresh dry shampoo in the variant floral and flirty. This is a really good lifesaver for my hair, guys, because it really works well when I just got myself in a very a heavy schedule and I can't get proper time to wash my hair. I just ended up using this, so you can just use it. This is the Batiste dry shampoo. So if you just wash your hair a lot more during the monsoon months, you would be getting a lot more oily scalp, because as much as you shampoo your hair, your scalp will start on producing a lot more oils, and if you just produce a lot more oils on your hair during the monsoon months, you will be getting a lot more fungal infections, because of those wet, humid climate will react with your scalp, and this will give you a lot more fungal infections. Fungus actually just multiply to the most during the monsoon months, so I would suggest that just at least wash your hair for 2 to 3 times a week, but not more than that. Tip number 5 is that oil massage. You just need to get a very good oil massage before washing your hair. Massaging oil onto your scalp will actually help in increasing blood circulation and stimulate your scalp, which actually helps in making the roots of your hair a lot more stronger, and you'll be getting a lot less hair fall. So if you want to have a lot less hair fall during the monsoon months, you just need to oil massage your hair. This is suggested by all. Our parents and all the beauty influencers and people over beauty community, doctors, everybody just says that you just need to oil massage your hair. And if you just don't want to keep those oil on your hair for overnight, you can just keep it for 2 hours before shampooing your hair, and this will also act as a very good shield on your hair, which will actually condition your hair. So don't forget to oil massage, guys. You just need to oil massage your hair throughout the whole year, but during the monsoon time you just need to be a lot more careful about that and have to be paying a lot more attention on that. Number 6 is the one which I would suggest, but you can just carry out, or it's up to you. I just carry out this process. This tip actually during the monsoon months is that I just apply a little bit of conditioner, not more conditioner during this month. Do not just use a lot more conditioner during the monsoon months. You can just use a lot more conditioners or any other heavy hair mask during other time of the year, but during the monsoon months I would suggest that try to use a lot less, because conditioners actually weighs down your hair a lot. So as the weather becomes a lot more humid and moisture is everywhere during the monsoon time, so it will just make your hair a lot more weigh down than before if you just use a lot more conditioner. So after you washing your hair, when you just applying a conditioner, I would suggest that apply it in a little less amount. This would not harm your hair too at all. So just apply it to a little less amount on your hair. It will condition your hair, but it won't weigh down your hair. So try to use a little less conditioner during this time of the year. Tip number 7 is that use normal water to wash your hair. Do not use hot water to wash your hair. It will make your hair a lot more frizzy, a lot of hair fall will increase, and you'll be getting like a jharu hair. So I would suggest that do not use hot water to wash your hair. It will make your hair a lot more drier, unhealthy, and it will just increase your frizziness and hair fall. So always use normal tap water to wash your hair. Tip number 8 is that do not allow sweat settle onto your scalp. I have told about rainwater that do not allow rainwater to settle on your hair. In the same way, do not allow sweat to settle on your scalp. This is the most important point to cover for monsoon hair care routine, because sweat is full of toxins, and when you just allow sweat to settle on your scalp, it will just mix up with dirt and germs and will give you a lot more hair fall and a lot more scalp infections, which is, I think, the worst thing that you can do for your hair. I would suggest that when you are just getting sweat on your hair, just open your hair, let air into your hair so that your hair can become dry. If you are just using helmet or any other stuffs which is actually covering your head, you just need to take a scarf and put it on your head, and on top of that you can just put your helmet. The scarf will actually act as a medium to just absorb those sweat from your scalp and keep your hair free from sweat. So your hair is your best friend, guys. You just need to give your hair a lot more tender, loving care. So try to keep your hair free from sweat and allow air to just move into your hair. So sweat results in a lot of hair fall. I have seen in my life that when I have just allowed sweat to settle on my scalp, I ended up getting like enormous hair fall. So this is the best thing that you can do for your hair, is not allowing a sweat settle on your scalp if you don't want to get any other hair fall issues or any other fungal infections. Tip number 9 is that clean your hair brushes, hair combs, or anything you are using for your hair. During the monsoon months, what it happens is that all your hair stuffs get attracted with moisture, and it just becomes a breeding place for germs and fungus and everything. And when you will be using that same comb or same hairbrush on your hair, those germs and fungus will be onto your scalp, and it will just end up resulting in a lot more scalp infections and other itchiness on your scalp, and you will be just thinking that what had happened with my hair, but the result is that it is that hairbrush or the hair comb which you have kept for 7 to 8 days without cleaning it is causing you such problems. So please do just keep your hair brushes, combs, everything in a very clean conditions, and do not let dirt or germs settle on those stuff. So try to clean it. It's hygienic and it's good for your hair. Tip number 10, this is our last tip to cover, and this is the best thing that you can do for your hair as well as for your whole body, is that eat lots of fresh fruits and seasonal fruits and vegetables to make your hair a lot more glowier and shinier than before. So this is a main thing that people don't do. They just stick onto those fast foods and other unhealthy foods, which is so much dangerous for your hair. So try to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and this will automatically show up on your hair, and you will be getting a lot more stronger hair, shinier hair, and you will thank me for that. So healthy diet is a key to your hair, and if you just have a very good diet with lots of fiber and other vitamins and minerals, this will show up on your hair, and I think this is the best thing you can do. So try to eat a lot more good stuffs during the monsoon months. So here comes the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. These are all the tips and tricks that you can just do during the monsoon time to take care of your hair. If you just want, you can just carry out these tips and tricks, and these are all my tips and tricks which I generally do during the monsoon months to keep my hair healthier and shinier. And I hope you liked it, and if you just liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want more such videos on hair care or skin care, body care or any other things, then please do let me know through comments. I would be doing those videos as well. And please hit on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and press on the notification bell to get updates about my videos. That's all for today, guys. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Be happy. Just take care a lot more of your hair, of your skin. We'll see you soon. Bye.